Before our reflection this morning, we would like first to welcome our dear fathers, my dear brother priest from the Diocese of Lawag. We welcome in our midst here at the Manila Cathedral, Father Rex, Father Vic, and Father Rainier. Magandang araw po at welcome po sa inyo. We give them a warm round of applause. My dear brothers and sisters, one reality that today's readings would like to share us is about productivity. This is at least an everyday demand for all of us. Hindi naman kinakailangan na we are productive in terms of our hard or hand labors, our manual labors, our paperworks, meetings, etc. Basta hindi lang po tayo tumunganga o maging useless ang mga araw po natin sa bawat araw po ng ating buhay. But after doing such, after being productive, we experience and embrace what we call accomplishment. Masaya na nababawasan ang ating mga checklists, na productive tayo, may mga natatapos tayo o nagagawa tayo sa araw na ito. But I do believe that the call to be fruitful will not only lead to accomplishment. There is a much deeper experience to it. And that is what we call fulfillment. You are not only satisfied outwardly that you do things or get things done, but inwardly, something is consoled and satisfied. That is fulfillment. And today's readings would want to share these thoughts with us. Paul and Jesus shared experiences of work and responsibilities. But I do believe that they won't only concern themselves and their apostles to accomplish things, but they also try to challenge them to be fulfilled in and through their responsibilities. Hindi lang may natapos, kundi may naging kaganapan sa buhay at sa kanilang puso. Yes, we can accomplish things, but we also try to be fulfilled with and through our responsibilities. At ito po ang dasal natin para sa bawat isa at sa ating mga sarili, na habang ginagawa po natin ang ating mga araw-araw na gawain, nasaan man tayo, sino man tayo, hindi lang tayo makatapos ng mga bagay-bagay, maging ganap din ang saya sa ating mga puso. As we accomplish things, may we see also fulfillment in and through them. Hindi lang masaya na natatapos o nagkakaroon ng accomplishment sa checklists, but try to see and we ask ourselves, is there joy within? Am I happy with it? Is my heart full of it? May we not only accomplish things, but embrace fulfillment whenever we do our responsibilities. Much more when we do the will of God for our lives.